really bad. All the brake dust rusted to it. So Black Rhino, actually, the guys from Wheel Pros sent me a new rim to replace that one. So that old rim will actually go down underneath as my spare. Yeah, those tires are way better. So what we did, we actually kept one of the old tires and put it underneath with the old rim. So there's the old rim, the one that got all rusty. So it's still a Black Rhino rim, but this tire is more to size. Ooh, that's hot. So if I ever have to change one, I can.